Because we had two referendums. The second referendum in 1988, we said no to the continuance of local government, no to the continuance of local government, no to the establishment of local government, and no to the empowering of local government. No means no. The state constitution must comply under 106 to the Commonwealth Constitution. It does not. As soon as you add local government to it, it no longer complies. It is unlawful.
In the eyes of the majority, though, the courts and local governments do hold the power. Why don't they hold power for you?
Because the local government is a registered company under the total control of Western Australian Local Government Association. So they're not a local government. They're a registered company.
The courts are owned by the people, not the government.
No, just stay up to you.
Your property is being sold, that's what I understand.
No, it's not being sold because I have it held under Clause 61 of Magna Carta. They can't touch it. They fenced it, I threw the gates away. They put concrete blocks there, I threw them away. I've blocked it, I own it, I paid for it.
But the council has repossessed it.
They can't repossess it without a court order. Where's the court order? There is no court order.
There was an appeal made?
No, that's nonsense. The appeal was made on the grounds that the Magistrates Court Act Section 35 contravened Section 75(5) of the Constitution. It's on YouTube. It says high treason and fraud in the Supreme Court of Western Australia. There was never an appeal against the decision because Magistrate Sharrett said he's not going to find for me and he's not going to find against me. So the council then decided I owed them $49,000. I didn't, because there was no court order, and there still is no court order. They're saying the Local Government Act gives them the right to carry out a judicial function, sign a bit of paper and take your land. Clause 39 of Magna Carta says only a trial by jury can do that. Only a trial by jury, no one else.
Yeah.
So they're lying.
Sorry, why do you think the Magna Carta applies in Australia though?
Under clause 5 of the Constitution, every law is binding on the courts, judges and people of every state, every single one.
Magna Carta is an English document.
The Magna Carta, we are a self-governing colony of England under clause 8 of the Constitution.
But that no longer, it's been said in court that no longer applies. Magna Carta is no longer relevant.
Well then, whoever says that is a traitor. Because clause 5 binds them to that.
But if the majority complies...
No, the majority that's not a law, it's an act. It's an act. It is not a law. It has to be stamped with a royal identifier. Not that piece of garbage up there, which is a kangaroo court.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
When they sign off on the property that the City of Geraldton now have repossessed, well, what are you going to do?
I've already, before they did, seized it under clause 61 of Magna Carta. They must take that to a lawful court established under the Constitution. This Magistrates Court is not. Read the Magistrates Court Act states that in the case of the magistrate, whoever his name is solemnly swear or affirm that he will serve the people of Western Australia and the state of Western Australia. Now, the problem with that is that's made under the Oath Affidavit and Statutory Declarations Act, which repealed Schedule E to the state constitution, the Oath of Allegiance. 72 of the Constitution says they must swear the Oath of Allegiance before they take their oath of office. You're sitting in treason. Every magistrate, every judge in this state, there is only one lawful judge at present in this country, that's Justice People in the High Court. She swore the Oath of Allegiance.
Everyone else needs to be able to follow these magistrates and the judges of Australia's rules.
Who gives them the right to make rules? They are there to pass judgment between the law and the people in the case that's before them. Section 71 of the Constitution states that. That is our binding document. It's the supreme document in this country. And it's binding on everyone. I don't care what the court says. The court, they sit in there and lie constantly every day. They don't like that too bad. We've had 14 years of one of the biggest liars ever put on two legs, Wayne Stewart Martin. He admitted on the 21st of June 2011 that he had not sworn the Oath of Allegiance to the Queen because he didn't have to.
But they're no longer required to.
Come on.
Says yes they do. The High Court in HCA 44 of 2006 states very, very clearly not only permanent judges but temporary judges must swear the Oath of Allegiance before they take their oath of office. No oath, no authority. no exercise of authority inside the Commonwealth of Australia can be made except under the provisions of the Constitution. End of the story. Thank you.
Here, one.
That's why the Magna Carta applies.
And I'm just going to say one thing. You want to heed what he says. He's right, they're wrong.
And I'm a Commonwealth public official. I am a sworn officer of the Crown. And they are totally ignoring the law.
Where do you swear that? How do you swear to be a
Well, you don't know anything about it.
No, hang on. On the 6th of January 1975, I swore an oath of allegiance before the Governor of Western Australia to uphold the laws of the Crown. That is a covenant between me and the Crown of England. Through the British Accreditation Registry, I must uphold the coronation oath of the Queen. That doesn't die until I die. I upheld that. I re-swore the oath when I took the oath of office of a Commonwealth public official on the 16th of January 2012. I was awarded the OWB for research into the common law of this country and our Constitution. I teach constitutional law. These clowns don't even know what the Constitution is. Have you ever seen it?
No, I haven't. So thank you for your time.
They don't even teach it in the schools.
No, they don't.
Making comments about what they say. You need to read it. Then you'll understand.
And I've got one of those. That's the Australian Constitution. Here. Yep, that's
Can you
it.
take photo to everyone, please?
Yep. Everyone has to get for a photo.